Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Nick. This is my mom Jen.
Hi guys.
And today we're watching Ace Ventura: When Nature Calls. So last time we were introduced to the character of Ace Ventura.
Yeah.
Who is, I would almost argue, Jim Carrey's most cartoonish character.
Yeah.
Because if you look at his other movies, like let's say The Mask, his cartoonishness was because of a magical artifact.
True.
It was something else affecting him.
Yeah.
In The Grinch, it's like a cartoonish fairy tale world.
Yeah.
In Liar Liar, he was affected by a wish or like magic. From what we can see in Ace Ventura, he's just like that normally.
Yeah.
So everyone around him is acting normal, and he's just acting zany and cartoonish without being affected by something. So it stands out more that he's being so zany.
Yeah.
And extra Jim Carrey.
Yeah. True.
That's just sort of my thoughts on on his characters.
Yeah.
And then Truman Show was a bit more on the serious side. But no, last time we were introduced to the like pet detective, you could say, looks into animal crime.
Yeah, Save the Dolphin. The mascot.
Yep, he was attacked by sharks.
Yeah,
and he had
all kinds of stuff.
He had those animals in his apartment. Remember the landlord was all pissed off.
They'd all hide when the landlord
and
came,
he would like sing to like call them out of like the toilets and the fridge and everything.
Cinderella.
Yeah.
Snow White, I guess. Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, let's see what other kind of craziness Jim Carrey can introduce us to. Let's get watching. Oh, Bob Gunton. The warden from Shawshank.
Okay.
We saw him in Glory.
Well, at the beginning, Ian McNeice, isn't that Hagrid? No, what's Hagrid's name?
No, that was Robbie Coltrane. Oh. He's doing a Tom Cruise. There he is.
The hair.
Well, if you were me, then I'd be you, and I'd use your body to get to the top.
And door off.
Yeah. Fly away from that business. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
Yeah. No.
I can't take it, folks. I just can't take it.
Oh.
It's Marcel.
Yeah. How did the raccoon get there?
I was just thinking.
Why was he in a cage on the plane?
Yeah.
Do not fret, my little woodland friend, for your life is in the hands of Ace Ventura, the detective.
And he's wearing like lederhosen.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Oh no.
Nope.
Maybe not. You're slipping.
Not the raccoon. Oh. No.
Oh. Did we lose the little raccoon?
Oh, I think so. Oh, this guy. Is that Ian?
That's him.
Yeah.
Where do I know him from otherwise?
That man stuck me with quills.
There you go.
Bunches of them.
Around the World in 80 Days, yeah.
Yep.
And several other things I've seen.
He also played Winston Churchill in Doctor Who.
Oh, and he's also, that's why I know him from Doc Brown.
Oh,
the British show. He was,
Right.
Yes, of course we are. Well, he bends over and he speaks from his rear.
Oh, him.
Oh, him.
Came to us a broken man. He had lost the will.
Aww. That's actually tragic.
Yeah. Oh.
Whoa. The monkey.
Yeah.
I will wait here.
Lions and tigers.
Yeah.
Your earthly money holds no appeal to me.
$20,000.
At the ashram. If I may.
Yeah, I was going to say.
We are sure.
Yeah, we think you could go.
Break it to them gently.
They'll all be celebrating.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Throwing toilet paper.
Oh. Tidy whiteys.
It's gonna be some kind of a record.
Oh, it's
All
going
the
the whole
way down.
way. That's actually really impressive.
Yes. Slinky, Slinky, the fun of the best of the toys.
No!
Right to the bottom.
Oh no!
It was right there.
God damn it! It was one short.
Mr. Ventura.
There's someone on the wing.
Oh, Twilight Zone.
Yeah.
Spectacular! This land holds great beauty.
It's not even shaking that hard.
No. What?
Well, they're out in like the Serengeti,
Oh,
and there's a subway. I'm going off road.
Steering's a little loose.
Whoa!
Bang, chitty, chitty, bang, bang. Our fine Ford standard.
A movie that traumatizes me to this day. Oh no!
I'll be ready. Oh, what the hell?
Wow. Oh yeah, from the last one.
Funny, it didn't seem that painful when you were doing it to the horse.
Sir, Mr. Ventura has an affinity for animals.
Is that what's his face from Four Weddings and a Funeral?
Oh,
The one who died?
I don't know.
Tell me, Mr. Ventura, just how good are you?
Oh, yeah. I think you're right. Yeah.
Yeah.
To a careless mason being the culprit. Your new watch, a quality forgery of a Cartier, was most likely purchased through the North African black market, known to reside in Khotan.
Wow.
The urine stain on your pants would signify that you're a...
Single shake man. Far too busy for the follow-up jiggle.
I don't get that, but okay.
A follow-up.
Lovely brunch, I must say.
There he is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Yeah, all of this is just
Yeah.
enraging him.
Yes. It should enrage all of us with that.
Who is this ghastly man?
Ace Ventura
That guy has such a small head.
Yes.
must be the Monopoly guy.
Hey. Thanks for the free parking.
You should try it sometime.
Alrighty then. You know something?
Oh god.
Oh, he's wearing him. Like, okay.
Yeah.
That's why he had to be small.
Yep.
Yeah.
Polite society is never prepared for Jim Carrey.
That's right. But he's got a point there.
Yep.
Now, these two are Australians. The bald one is Mick Katie. The other is said...
Oh, no.
Aborigines. The natives call him...
Hey ho, Silver, away!
The mask.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
There's something I'd like to show you.
Oh, does he have like a trophy room?
Probably.
Oh, you
All on
jackass.
the wall. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to really throw him off, right?
All kinds of gazelle and lions.
Yeah.
And... Oh.
Disgusting.
Yeah.
Down, Bubba.
Yeah. On his car.
Oh, on his car. Yeah.
Attaboy, Boba.
That thing even drivable? So... Go.
The majestic song of the male silverback gorilla.
Oh.
I think we should move along. It's their mating season, and they can get rather hostile. The Wachatis believe they draw their power from these caves, but they now live in fear since the vanishing of their sacred bat.
It's a bat?
Oh.
What? Bat? The one we're here to find.
They never did tell him what kind of...
Yeah.
Yeah.
As a being of light, I must show compassion for all the living things of nature. Good. I'm not touching it, though.
Oh, spank you.
No spank.
That's where he draws the line.
Yeah.
Bats.
What's going on over here?
Oh, yes. Now, all young Wachati warriors must face 5 days of balance and concentration.
Oh, no.
He must start all over again.
No, please, no.
Don't do it, man. No, that's not cool.
He's good. With my help, he could be the best.
Oh.
Chim chimney, chim chim chiroo. Hi!
It's like, is he insane?
Yeah.
Or...
What's this fool doing? Oh, okay.
Oh, my goodness. The chief really seems to like you. I mean, that is a great sign of affection in the Wachati tribe.
Okay.
Oh, it's like the Fremen in Dune. It's like spitting is a sign of respect.
No one should be spitting.
Oh.
Allow me to display my affection.
Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, they're all covered with...
What type of bat are we talking about here?
The great white bat, of course.
Oh. Like albino? Or...
Shikasha!
Ah!
Shish kebab. Shawshank Redemption.
Shawshank!
Go on. You're gone. Go on.
Oh, like they're playing Simon Says or something. Oh,
I wonder how...
Oh.
How close this was to Shawshank with like Bob Gunton also being in the cast.
Okay.
It feels intentional.
Yeah.
This fruit paste is delicious. And the pottery is lovely.
It's made from guano.
Oh! Oh no!
Bat droppings.
Ah! Oh. Is this the princess or just one of the villagers?
I don't think I can do that. Can you do that with your eyebrows one at a time?
Oh, yeah.
I think of women only as the mothers of our children. They are our sanctuary for the reproductive organs.
Oh, God.
He's focusing so hard.
Yes.
Do you have $1?
$1. She's not a stripper. God. Oh. What the hell?
Look at all the dust.
Oh. Look, there's still some left in that little box.
Oh. Ooh.
Something.
Feather?
Yeah.
Oh. You are very good with...
Oh, is that that guy balancing? Like the young warrior?
Maybe.
Shooting spitballs at him?
And release.
Yeah. Oh.
I've never known a man.
Jeez.
Oh,
Is
no.
he dreaming?
I don't know.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Oh, closer. Oh, no. Ew.
Yeah. That supposed to be a bat face.
Yeah.
Goes fast, he could write his name. Remember?
Like Evie.
Yeah.
I will fear no living creature.
Take that, you wicked spawn of Satan!
He just checks it.
Yeah.
Die, devil bird!
Oh, dude. Oh, no. Almost lost my cool there.
Oh, it's weird.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah.
I can kind of move them like
Up
this.
and down. I can't even do that.
Oh!
Oh, God.
He's going all in.
Yeah.
Mr. McKay.
Oh, meeting up with him.
Yeah. Whoa!
Don't mind me, Mr. Quinn.
That's his own little, almost like a,
Yeah.
it's like a maximal transformer. That's really cool, actually.
Yeah.
Got a little fan on him.
Yeah.
Much too much.
Oh.
Oh, power went out. Oh no, just the fan maybe.
Yeah.
All this time?
The heat waves.
No, no!
Just like airplane, all the sweat coming down.
Yeah.
You have like a breathing tube.
I can't get out.
Oh no. Like the door is broken. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh no. Imagine if you come across a rhino and you just hear like someone screaming from the inside.
Butthole. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, here we go.
Oh god. It's gonna. Oh no.
Yes.
Safari tour.
Oh, look, it's birthing. Oh, look at that. It's like an orc.
Ah. Can you not tell those are human lips?
Yeah.
Oh.
And he's naked. So it looks like he's being born. Reborn.
Oh. Whoa. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Is that our buddy?
Yeah.
Did he catch him? A taser.
The monkey got him.
Yeah.
Where's the bat? What is this about?
It's about the bat.
There is.
We will be asking the questions.
Yeah.
Oh. That's actually not bad.
Yeah.
Oh.
My brother used to do that to me.
Oh,
no.
Holy shit. How can he do that?
Spill it! I paid Derek McCain to find the bat. I thought it could be an attraction.
So it was nothing to do with the wedding or anything.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to untie you now.
Oh.
I can feel it like it's right in my neck. Run!
Oh no.
Oh.
Is this that other tribe?
Oh, maybe.
The what? Shoot-twos or something?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
Man, his face is so elastic.
Yes. Oh gosh.
Oh.
That's so cool.
It's like Red Guardian in the Black Widow movie.
Oh.
Remember they got like 50 darts in him?
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh.
The sacred bat has got to be in one of those huts, but we'll never know until I can walk freely among them.
So that other guy wanted it. And wanted McCann to get it for him.
But someone stole it
Someone
first.
stole it first. Okay.
Yeah. There we go. I wonder if they can possibly tell that he's not from around
not
there.
one of them. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, okay, that's for sure gonna.
Oh!
Whoa!
You know, gingivitis is the #1 cause.
The breath is probably really bad too.
Yep.
I come in peace.
Inquensu ocha, uza, inkoso zana.
Why is he doing that?
He's trying to get him killed?
I couldn't help but notice that Iquinsu Orcha part. Did you just refer to me as White Devil?
This how they know you.
Leave that part out for now. The last thing we want is a fight.
Ilwa manje, noma ohambe.
But why is he?
Is he the
I think
mastermind?
maybe he wants to marry the princess.
Yeah.
The chief said, if you pass all what you do tests, you do not die.
Kooky.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Oh, cold.
Fire walking. Oh. There you go. Oh.
Oh, no. Oh, What?
Oh,
What?
oh my God.
What is he getting?
I don't know. Oh, an apple core.
From his stomach. Oh, no.
Oh, jeez.
Whoa. Oh. Is he the who he has to fight?
It's like a Tasmanian devil type thing.
Yeah.
This is it. Alrighty then.
Oh no. He's deceptively strong. Oh no. Oh. Tickling him? Or
oh no.
whoa.
All right. Nobody messes with the dude.
This was like Ron Burgundy said, no touching of the hair or face.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh. He'll hit his other leg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pull him out.
Wachutu chief say, you friend to Wachutu.
We can't tell if he's lying about what they're saying because we don't know what they're saying.
Yeah.
That won't be necessary, my friend. I have an incredibly high threshold for pain. Holy monkey!
Oh, again.
Another one.
Only to the untrained eye. You see, the Wachutu dart is made of wood from the mimosa tree, while the other dart is carved from a red fungus bearing a color.
Oh.
Ah.
The Australians.
Yeah.
Big night tonight.
There it is.
Yeah.
But who are they working for?
Yeah. Look at him on the left there.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Silverback.
Oh, he's making the noises.
Yep.
Yeah, he knows all the noises, right?
Mm-hmm.
She's a big one, isn't she?
Oh. Ah, damn.
What the hell is that?
Well, his feet.
Oh.
Because remember, that's what he saw before.
Right.
Oh, the monkey.
Oh. Oh no, they're tied. Going down the rapids or something. Kinda.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Sharp rocks at the bottom?
Most likely.
Bring it on. Just keep going. Oh no!
Oh, he's waving.
So long.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh!
Oh god! Oh no! Oh Jesus!
Say, Uncle.
Get your legs out of its mouth!
Yeah.
Oh, he's pulling it back in. Did a pile driver.
Oh, quit hitting yourself.
For it is said that when seeking answers, one must quiet the soul in order to hear them.
Is it like the British consul? Like the land is valuable?
Oh, maybe, yeah.
He wants the tribes to kill each other?
Alrighty then.
The choir's doing the same
choir,
thing.
yeah. Just back to where he was in
The temple?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're like, no.
The medallion will lead you to the answer.
Yeah, I threw that away.
Yeah.
So
Don't you? Medallion? Why, surely.
He's gonna go back in that cave and find it.
It's probably lying in a big pile of...
Oh.
Oh. that's the key. Is it the guano somehow?
Yeah.
Everything's made out of it, they said.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Jesus. We're back again. Oh, no.
I was just going to say they're using the same shot, but then he crashed.
Upside down.
Guano mines as a source of nitrate, producing 84% of the world's supply of fertilizer. A $1.4 billion industry.
Mm-hmm.
You can't legally take possession of the caves as long as the Wachatis inhabit the area. And you want that dookie so bad.
All in one breath.
Yeah.
The day I met you, there was a white substance on your shoe that I mistook for plaster. Yesterday I saw.
Ah.
Oh.
Let me run that back for you. That's what you slipped in. Damn, I'm good! Can you feel that? Huh? Can you feel it, Captain Compost? Why? Oh, what? Did you hire me?
Yeah.
You were my alibi to prove I'd done everything I could to stop it. I thought you loved all animals, Mr. Ventura.
So he didn't know.
I don't think so.
What is he?
What are you doing?
Oh!
Here it goes.
That's the elephant equivalent of going...
Yeah. Oh, that wasn't the guy from the Mummy, was it?
It is.
Oh, it is him.
Lochna.
Yes.
Friends! Rodents! Quadrupeds!
Lend me your ears. Yeah.
Imbecile! You let him get away.
Just like in the end of Tarzan.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Jumanji style.
Yep. Surprise, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Oh.
One of everything.
Yeah. Oh.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm drunk. Now stretch.
Oh.
Oh, good.
Good one, Fulton. Oh no.
Say hello
To my
little friend.
Oh, that never comes out.
Yeah.
All right, what's in store for him?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh, damn. Yeah.
It's like Sheldon with a couch cushion.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, hell yes. Let's go. Got some bitchin' wheels.
Oh, he wants to go off-road.
You simpleton. Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Oh.
Noon.
Oh, time, yeah.
Oh.
Grab it and go.
The Wachati.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, no. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Having to kill the tribe here.
Yeah. Oh.
Oopsie.
He's right there.
Yeah.
Some really cool body paint, but...
Yeah.
White Devil.
Oh, yeah, let that guy go after.
Get him, lads.
Yeah.
Oh, both tribes.
Both tribes, yeah.
Put it back.
Yeah.
Oh.
Shut the door. Oh.
Oh. Are we finally going to see some gorillas?
Oh.
They keep mentioning them.
The silverback, yeah.
And it's mating season.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
He looks like the one from
Trading Places.
Yes.
With a similar result.
No.
Oh, Jesus fuck. Oh, no. Oh. Alrighty then.
Was it that crazy?
It looks like that was.
Shit, that's who she had to marry?
Yeah. Oh.
What's that he's saying?
Well, I think he's saying she's not a virgin.
Oh no.
They can tell that.
Was he messing with her?
Apparently.
No.
But we never saw that. Yeah, Bruce Spence, he was like that skinny guy, one of the hunters.
Oh, because he's like all bone.
Yeah, very gaunt. He was in one of the Matrix movies.
Oh. Stunt Coordinator Canada.
Cool.
Okay.
All right. Ace Ventura.
That was cute.
When
Yeah.
nature calls. Yeah, just as zany and
Zany as the first one, yeah.
balls to the wall crazy.
Oh, right. That's funny though that they kind of ended it like that with, they made a point of showing him not be with her.
Yeah, there was because we never saw them interact afterwards.
No.
Because if there's one scene of her coming into his tent or something just to justify the ending here.
Yeah, right. That was kind of different at the end there.
I wonder if there was any scenes were cut when this was really put in theaters or just like a throwaway joke at the end.
I'm trying to think of when would he have. Yeah, right.
Because apart from after that sort of night with he spent with the tribe, he was all with the Wachutus and the consulate. He was elsewhere.
Yeah.
So yeah. But no, man, Jim Carrey, he's just a force of nature.
He is, right?
Like him and Robin Williams, I feel, are just performers that no film crew on the face of the planet is fully prepared for their kind of energy.
Right, yeah. And I was thinking about that with some of these actors when he's all crazy around you and stuff. If it's... Yeah, they kind of let him probably do his thing.
Absolutely.
And you have to keep a straight face. And yeah.
Yeah, this feels like, what can we throw Jim Carrey into? Let's do some sort of, tribal setting in the jungle instead of, because we had Los Angeles or whatever city last time.
Right.
So let's unleash him into the wild and just see kind of what he can do.
Yeah.
And I love how he had a little sidekick.
Yeah.
A little capuchin.
Yeah.
Those monkeys.
Well, except he left him on the raft there. Mind you, couldn't do much, but still waving at him as he goes.
It reminds me of Mr. Cotton's parrot in the Third Pirates of the Caribbean when the East Indian Trading Company, their armada came across the water, and then the parrot flew away towards the island and said, abandoned ship, abandoned ship. Like it flew away.
Yeah.
It's like loyal to a point.
Smart. Yeah, that's right.
But not just a traditional zaniness that we know and love Jim Carrey for.
That parking was crazy. Last time we just landed on its roof, it was totaled. Yeah.
And that whole rhino scene was crazy too.
Oh. Then he was birthed out of it.
He's trapped in there sweating his ass off.
Yeah.
And it's just this mechanical vehicle that he's driving, and then he just yeah.
That kind of went nowhere with those two, right?
Just that he knew that Bob Gunton's character was working with that other hunter. So, but it didn't seem like he heard what they were saying.
No, and we didn't talk to that other guy at all.
No, yeah. But then he burns himself out of the rhino, and then he tortures Bob Gunton with scraping utensils on a ceramic plate, and then the whole that eyeball thing was insane. Just the thought of it makes me blink with this how does a human being
discomfort?
But he's stop. My brother used to do that to me. It's just
Jim Carrey.
Oh, yeah, that was a barrel of laughs, ladies and gents. I can see why, these movies are so popular just because they're so, off the rails for just something you've never really seen before. Giving a Tarzan yell with his butt.
Oh, God.
It's rodents, friends, lend me your ears.
Yeah.
And then he had a whole kind of Tarzan ending with all the animals coming through. All right, that's all I got. My brain is just fried, so thank you for joining us. Hopefully you enjoyed as well. If you want to watch the full length of our reaction, I'll put a link down to our Patreon below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And that's all we have for you today. So we will see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.